Hey everybody, my friend Roger is coming over with his family, so I fired up the Blackstone and we're gonna make hot dogs and Italian sausage sandwiches. This is Roger. I have Nathan's beef hot dogs and a mild Italian sausage. A lot of people think about grilling hot dogs on traditional grills, but I'm here to preach griddling hot dogs and the sausage links. And I always doctor up my hot dogs with a little garlic, black pepper, and salt. The more and more I cook hot dogs for people, they're always wanting to know what my secret is and what kind of special wiener I'm buying, but they're just normal all beef hot dogs. I'm simply adding garlic, salt, and pepper to them. The great thing about griddling as opposed to grilling is diced onion doesn't fall through the griddle. And we can slice our bell pepper and onion slices straight on to the griddle top. Oh my goodness. Look at those delicious sausages. I mentioned these several videos ago. I get these white hoagie rolls at Sam's Club. And bam, check it out. Your sausage link won't fall through the bottom. Plus you can make a one-of-a-kind bread necklace with the leftover pieces. Let's give it a try. Italian sausage sandwiches and hot dogs on the Blackstone Griddle. Once you start griddling, you'll never want to grill again. We have to get inside and feed the rest of the family. Thanks so much for watching today. Please head out to blackstoneproducts.com. Click on the recipe section and check out my brand new burger recipes, including the country western burger, the mango tango turkey burger, the sweet and sassy island burger, and pretzel sliders. If you want to start griddling your dogs just like I do, you can pick up the 36-inch griddle cooking station and the Blackstone Griddle cutting board using my referral link down below. And don't forget about my 10% off discount code, ToddToven10. ToddToven10 will get you 10% off your total order at blackstoneproducts.com. And until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the food, and make America griddle again.